Okay, I would like to introduce one of our most popular products right now, the ashwagandha extracts. You may heard that. Why it is so popular right now? For one of the most, it's most famous effect. It can help people relieve their stress. You may know in nowadays society, more and more people have problems about the job. For example, job pressures, stress, or their mood management. This is the natural method which can help relieve the stress. It is more safer and healthier than the synthetic supplements. Well, this is one of the samples. I just grabbed it from our production department. It is our ashwagandha capsules, and you can check the bottles. It is a white one, and now I'm squeezing it, and you can see it is a hard bottle. Can help prevent the crash from when it's during the long shipment, including to yours or to your clients. And all of the products you receive, let's open it. Let's open the cap. You can see all of the product you received will be well sealed. Like this. Can keep the materials and capsules inside away from the air. Except the capsules, we can also do the gummies. It is also well sealed. You can check the plastic form outside. The sound. And it can also change the colors as you like. We can do, but most popular right now is the pink, red, or the orange. We can open it and taste some. I like the gummies. It also have the balloon foam on top of the bottle. We can open it and taste one using my fingernails. Oh, it's so hard. It is a necessary protection for your products, so you and your customer will receive the most effective products. Have to use some method. Oh my god. Okay, I have opened it with the scissor. Let's remove it, and I would like to have one. It's peach flavor. I like it. It's a little bit sweet, but not that hard. If too hard, some people would not like that. And we can customize the flavor if you like. The most popular right now is a peach, orange, strawberry. Both of them are the fruit flavors. Personally, I like it. Oh, you can also check the capsules. It is opaque. And let's check it inside. The necessary protection. Let's remove it. Oh, it is easier than the gummy. Remove it. they are the pure ashwagandha capsules. You can check the colors, and each of them is well encapsulated. The brown powder and I'm squeezing it. You can check the hardness. Oh, this would be the 0020 size capsules. And we are offering different capsule sizes. The most ordered would be the 0 and the 2 zeros. The most with the 0, 2 zeros, and some clients are also requesting 3 zeros. They are easy to swallow and easy to be absorbed. After using it, and it's no weird smell. That's important. I don't like the weird smell of the supplements. Some, after I use it, I will burp. Oh, except for the, let's check the shape. Except this shape, we can also have this type with some sugar on it. It's Also, we can. It is prevalent now, so prevalent now. The gummy bear. I love it. The gummy bear. Oh, it's so cute. Let me taste it. This is a pineapple flavor. I like it too. I like all the fruit flavors. It's refreshing. Oh, it's not pineapple flavor, it's the mint flavor. Not that sweet. You know, some manufacturing are using the synthetic flavors. You mean taste like the industrial sweeteners, but we use the natural sweeteners. If you have any other problems or questions about these products, please just text the questions here. Oh, we can do all the, you mean the capsule color? Oh, this capsule is transparent, but the material inside is yellowish brown powder. So it looks like that. And if you want the capsules with color, we can also customize it. We have a list of all the colors we can make for the capsules. If you like, I will send you later in the chat room.